Good afternoon, my name is Joe Kurtz. I'm the Senior Manager for LG's dvLED for distribution. I am here in Dallas, Texas at the Exertis Almo E4 show, the first of 2023. So pretty excited to represent LG. And there are three takeaways I'd like to give to you. Number one, as a manufacturer for dvLED, we provide it in three forms. All-in-one, 136-inch diagonal, all-in-one, 163-inch diagonal by the end of this year, and also TAA compliancy. Number two, we provide the product in bundles. We make it so easy for you to buy. Anywhere from 2K, 2K stretch, 4K, 4K stretch, and 8K. And then in terms of diagonal, 81-inch to 325-inch, both for indoor and outdoor. And then finally, customization. We can wrap this entire room with dvLED. We can wrap it stadium with a ribbon. Actually, we can also embed dvLED into the floor. If you'd like to find out more about it, please jump on the website, www.lg/B2B. That's all I got. Have a great day. Bye-bye.